Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the command prompt so you can query network settings directly. Type Win plus R, enter CMD, then press Enter. This launches the prompt. Once done, make sure you're on the user account you normally use, because network adapters shown reflect that session. You don't need administrator rights for the basic steps that follow. Now, with the black terminal window open, you're ready to run the first command to reveal IP details and adapter names. Now type ipconfig and press Enter to get a quick overview. You'll see IP4 address, IP6 address when available, and subnet mask. If you need deeper detail, run ipconfig/all to display DHCP status, DNS servers, and physical MAC addresses. Once the output appears, scan for your active adapter, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, because multiple adapters can be listed. Make sure to copy the IP4 address if you need it for configuration. You can right-click. Finally, confirm the IP works by pinging your gateway or an external host. For example, ping 192, 168, 1, 1 or ping 8, 8, 8, 8. If you see no IP4 address, run ipconfig/release then ipconfig/renew to request a new lease from DHCP. Once done, use ipconfig/flushdons if DNS lookups fail, and then test again. If problems persist, check that the correct adapter is enabled in network connections and that cables or Wi-Fi are connected. That solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.